Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETFM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume the past about day and a half. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area is what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would definitely be if the price can continue to hold up here above the 0035 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 0035, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0035 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance on any sort of attempted return to highs is going to be first right here around the 0055 mark. And then after 0055, yeah, you can start to talk about the fun level up there. I mean, I'll be the first to admit it is fun to talk about breaking the previous highs and then breaking new highs. And that's what up there at 007, the James Bond level represents. But before you start talking about doing battle with James Bond up at 007, first needs to consolidate, stabilize, and then get through 0055, and then you can turn your full attention back to 007. But all in all, crazy movement today, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week or not.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.